What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I would like to give you a quick overview about TradingView platform and what is it about. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. Let's get started. The first thing to start with is that TradingView is a web-based application created for traders and investors where they can analyze financial markets and track their trading ideas. It also provides real-time data and charts for a wide range of financial instruments such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, futures, and indexes. The platform considered to be one of the best on the market, so it has a very huge community where you can trade and exchange your ideas with other people, and you can also test your patterns, like you can make some videos how you trade, share with others, and actually it's a very good tip in order to grow as a professional, and basically people help you on your way. TradingView offers a news section on its platform that provides users with the latest news and analysis about financial markets, industries, and companies. So you can access this section by clicking on the News tab at the top of the TradingView homepage. And yes, as far as I said, the TradingView is a web-based platform. It also has a wonderful mobile application available for both iOS and Android devices. The app is free to download. You can see that QR code here and use, and it allows users to access all of the features available on the TradingView web platform. In order to get to the main screen, we need to press on Products and Supercharts. After that, we will be redirected to this page where we can see the main page where the Bitcoin is trading to USDT. Well, I personally recommend to first of all set up personal preferences in terms of colors of the background, some useful tools, and etc. So one of the things that I would like to show you is the full screen mode. Basically, I just simply like it. It's quite comfortable. As you can see, we pressed on it, and now we can see the graph in full screen mode completely. Looks cool and nice, so I really suggest you guys to use it. If you want to go back, you can just simply press escape and you will get to the normal view. Another thing which is valuable is basically the changing color of your background. So in order to do this, you can simply right click on the screen and press color theme. You can see we have a variety of options here, such as dark, light, black, blue, gray, and white. You can choose any, like let's go for example with the blue one. See, the color has changed, but I personally don't quite like it because it's bright for my eyes. So I go with the dark ones in general. So if you would like to change to another one, you can do the same process, like let's try gray. Here is changed to gray. But I personally, as I said, prefer the default settings. So if you would like to get back to the default ones, just simply go to settings here, and on the left corner, you can choose the template and apply defaults. Press OK, and you will get back to the default settings. As you all might have noticed, on the right side we have the panel of instruments here. So we're going to be working with the first two primarily, or even one, because this is the watch list. Here, if we press on it, we can add our favorite currency pairs or trading instruments we would like to work with. So in order to add something, you can press on add symbol here or plus, and then we can search for example, Ethereum. We can type ETH USD, and here we have all possible options that TradingView has given to us. As you can see, Ethereum primarily is trading on different exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit, CoinEx, and etc. So you need to choose the same one depending on which exchange you are trading as well. So the analysis will be the most accurate. I usually do on KuCoin at the moment, so we can add here KuCoin, add to watch list, and it will be added at the bottom of your list. And after we added it, we can check the history of a specific instrument on that specific exchange. So as you can see, Ethereum has been trading on KuCoin since a very long time, probably around October 17th. And now let's get back to the chart. So I will explain to you in more details about the candles that I previously talked about. So TradingView offers a variety of time frames for chart analysis depending on the type of market being viewed. And time frames typically range from 1 minute to 1 month and can be customized according to the user's preferences. So at the moment, each candle represents 1 day. And we can switch to 1 hour, 2 hours, 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So let's go with 5 minutes so you can have a better understanding. So we press auto in order to maximize the screen and to make the chart looks more presentable after changing the time frame. All you need to know now about the time frames that traders can choose the time frame that best suits their trading style and strategy. For example, short-term traders may prefer to use lower time frames such as 1 minute or 5 or even 15, while long-term investors may prefer higher time frames like daily, weekly or monthly charts. Another thing that you will be able to use a lot is basically the panel of instruments on the left side. Here you can see a variety of instruments such as cursors. For example, you can choose a different type of cursors. At the moment we have cross. We can switch to dot or we can switch to arrow. You will have a simple arrow that you can move through the screen, and eraser. The second one is basically the lines. You can draw trend lines, you can use arrows, rays, horizontal lines, everything you need to make your analysis. For example, we can use the trend line to analyze the support or resistance levels. So here you draw the line like this. And you can also do the same one on top here. Second section you can simply skip at the moment because here we can find more advanced tools that we currently do not require to make our analysis. If we go lower, here we can find geometric shapes. We can find such useful things as brush, rectangle, path, circle and ellipse. Everything can be used on the graph depending on your needs. Here you see the example of brush. You can draw absolutely anything you'd like, then you can remove the drawings. Here is the rectangle. Basically, it's the same thing as the trend line. The only thing is slightly wider because trend lines are usually areas, so many people use specifically this instrument to draw support and resistance lines. We also have a circle. You can select a specific area of interest with this shape, and you can choose the path. It's kind of visual representation of the price movement for yourself. Right here we can find other different things like, for example, texts, notes, anchor text. You can even insert an image if you'd like to. You can leave a comment specifically in any part of the graph. Like let's, for example, put it right here. We can write comment, set up, I don't know, yellow color and font size 28. It will be slightly big. Press OK and we will have a big comment here. Here we have the pattern section. At the moment there is no need to use it at all because we're just learning the interface of the platform, but in future you will use it a lot because identifying different patterns on the chart is quite significant for your profitable trading. I will just give you a quick example of how to use it. For example, head and shoulders. If we have an uptrend, like we mark it like that, and on top of our uptrend, we can see the head and shoulders pattern. It's one of the patterns that signifies the reverse of the trend. So it can be drawn like this. I will not go in more details because it's a topic for a different video, but for your understanding, approximately like that. And after that, trends usually change the direction and go down. We also have the same pattern on the downtrend. It looks absolutely the same, just as a reversed one. We can see the shoulder, then the head, then another shoulder, and then the trend changes the direction. One of the most important things here are the price range and short and long positions. In comparison to long positions and short positions, price range is a very simple tool that can help you to identify how much the price has moved from a specific point to another point. So let's say the price was here, so we do the price range, and up to our high, it has moved around 8.34%. So that way we can identify the percentage rate. Lastly, I wouldn't go through long and short position in details because it's a topic for a separate video, but I would say that this instrument is used once you properly start trading in order to identify your risk-reward ratio. So in 2 words, basically your risk-reward should always be at least 3-to-1, which means that you're risking $1 in order to get 3. The same with the short position, is just whenever you open the trade to sell. Let's remove everything we've just drawn. It can be done in several ways. First, you can do it manually one by one by choosing and deleting it, or we will restore this one. You can press and hold Control and then select all the items you would like to delete and press delete. Also, there is another way that you can do is just press on the right button on the screen, remove drawings, and it will automatically remove absolutely everything from your chart. And the last thing I wanted to show you is probably you have seen whenever we were going through the panel of instruments on the left, some of them has the arrow, some of them has the star next to them. So basically it means that the instrument considered as our favorite. And whenever we have favorite instruments, they are represented in the panel above here. So these are my favorite instruments. Basically, it's a tool that allows quick access, so you don't need to spend time wasting and searching for a specific thing. You can always find it right here and apply it right away. So that was a very quick overview regarding TradingView platform. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found something useful for yourselves. Please hit a like and leave a comment in case if you'd like to see something more or me to go through something in details. I will be more than happy to do it in the next videos.